Find the area of compound shapes. Pause the video and have a go at example 3 and 4. Example 3. Find the area of that compound shape. To find the area of a compound shape, we need to divide it into two shapes that you know how to find the area of. So we can either divide it vertical line here to get a rectangle and another rectangle, or horizontally, a rectangle here and here. I'm going to cut it horizontally. Call this shape A and this shape B. So the area, because there's two shapes, I'm going to call area of A, so subscript A. The dimensions of that is 3 by something. What is that something? Well, the whole vertical distance is 9. It's 5 to here, which means the remaining distance would need to be 4 to make up 9. So the area will be 3 by 4, which gives you 12. I'll not worry about units until the end. The area of B, it is 8 by 5. So 8 times 5 gives 40. The total area then would be those two shapes added together. The 12 plus the 40, which gives 52. And the units, the question's in meters. It's an area, so it'll be meters squared. Example 4. Again, we need to divide this into shapes we know how to find the area of, which is this, at this stage, is only rectangles. So I'm going to divide it with two vertical lines. We've got shape A here, shape B, and shape C. So let's work out the area of shape A. Shape A is 4 by 12, or 12 by 4. So 12 times 4 equals 48. Area of C, you'll see C is the same size. It's also 12. No, it's not. It's 12 by 3 actually. Be careful. So it's the same height. It's 12 high, but it's only 3 wide. So 12 by 3 is 36. And then the area of B, I left it to the end because I don't know all the dimensions yet. I know it's 5 by something. How high up is it? Well, we know the whole distance is 12, it says there. This is 4, this is 5, so that they make 9 together. 9 plus what gives 12? 3. So that distance in there is 3. So the rectangle is 5 by 3, which is 15. The total area then would be your 48 plus your 36 plus your 15, and that gives you 99. The question is in meters, so an area would be meters squared.